any satanic orchestration against the people of God and against your called ones, in the name of Jesus, we pray that may your hand be established on us, oh God. Preserve us, oh God. Protect us, oh God, in the name of Jesus. We pray for you.
Say, oh Lord, any entity living with us, as I pray, oh God, let your fire consume them and destroy them in the name of Jesus.
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 By the power of the Holy Ghost, I command the fire to destroy according to your word. Isaiah 54, the verse 17. Any weapon, any spoken word against my life, against my children,
against my children,
yes, we won't pay for parliament.
Jesus.
Any person or your agent to destroy the nation Ghana. Yes, sir. The man in Sasso. Any institution be Satan has certain and for to destroy the glory and the progress of Ghana. When you meet alcohol, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Agric, any place, education, medical, or maybe such as certain say, purposely no demonic assignment on first senior man. Yamiabo for you,
Father, in the name of Jesus, we pray this morning that any assigned individual, oh God, to fight against your people, to fight against the nation Ghana, from the presidential, oh God, in the name of Jesus, we pray that your fire will consume them in the name of Jesus. Let their plans be aborted, oh God. Let their plans be destroyed, oh God. In the name of Jesus.
But Satan so certain and call for was of Diemu and your master for Binimu Yano. What I saw yourself Panao Ferry. Yeah, catch what they say. A rather man in Sasso. Now, Obi Biara was for your software. Or ye agent Mabrosam to destroy the name of Jesus. Your boy used to be a real good. Say a radiant Casaman and Sasso.
Asempa Fm.
You want to live on Memphis Sanko for this. Father,
in the name of Jesus, we pray for your nation, oh God, and we pray into the ministries in the name of Jesus. We pray that any assigned individual in the pastoral ministry, oh God, that is fighting against your people, we pray in the name of Jesus that may you deliver them in the name of Jesus. May you deliver the nation Ghana in the name of Jesus. Ayantala gada bahata, ipala brantala gada, radada bantala gaba, rapala baba shata.
Me bon paye de man awawe fo. E ba de man wawe ni pabon be yibon san bi. E ba de man wawe oba bon san bi a e be se obotaye. E ba de ni ube fi school bi a e ma ba ni me ni papa pada achen. Be bi akọ hospital. Se hoye agent a hoye demonic center a send pasabra everybody you fi on mo e pa me pai ojema baby I found your maton se hoye demonic room stronghold when I found your maton everybody ma wo cry free home able connection bia I disconnect you. I pray for divine favor. May the Lord protect you and lead you Awurade ahoɔden tɔ so baabi a bɛfa biara no Awurade fa nkɔma asomdwie mu wɔ Yesu dim amen. Reverend shout to draw fear but if you run your same 5 to 10 minutes then next so tie Reverend Chene Boa Beba Homano so now ne chicken come about so tie well when they come for Yakoda one okwa grandma se Yakoda who trinity about them wow never didn't you free to be anymore never didn't show up
Asempa Fm.
God bless you. God bless all of you this morning. It's a blessing to always have life. It's a blessing to be alive. It's a blessing to always appreciate the love God has bestowed on us. It is an honor to always have the life to live. If you are living this morning, it's not by mind, it's not by power, it's just by the grace of God. I was reading something in 1 John chapter 3, the verse 1 going. It said, behold, what manner of love the Father has bestowed upon us, that we should be called the sons of God. It means that we don't deserve to be called the sons of God because of the things we have done and the mistakes we have committed, but because of the love the Father has bestowed upon us, He overlooked our mistakes. He overlooked the things we did in the past and even the things we are doing now. And anyone that lifts up his hands and says, I accept you as my Lord and personal Savior, He gives you a position in His kingdom. My God, what manner of love is this, that you don't even deserve to come into His presence? You don't even qualify to be called the sons of God, the daughters of God, but because of the love He has for us, He's always ready to accept and wash us and cleanse us again. I don't know what kind of God we are serving, because there are other gods they will never accept you if you make a mistake. There are other gods, if you then make a mistake, they will reject you. But this God that we have, the Lord that we have, the one that has called us, He said, even if you're a prostitute, if you're an occultist, even if you're a liar, even if you have hatred in your heart, even if you are jealous, you are greedy, and you are ready to repent and come to Him, He calls you His son. He gives you a place in His kingdom. He will turn your life around. He will make something out of your life. My God, I just want to tell somebody this morning, the love that God has for us, men will not understand. That is why when God picks somebody from the dust and begins to bless that person, people have things to accuse the person, but God was aware that they will accuse you, but He overlooked those who were accusing you. I read in the Bible, the woman, they came to stone her to death. They were accused of following the woman, but when the woman met Jesus one-on-one, and Jesus said, what is the cause of this woman? And they said, we caught her in adultery. Jesus said, that is okay. Yes, she has sinned, and everybody has the right to stone her to death. But Jesus said, let me ask you a question. Those who are accusing her, those who want to stone her to death, who among you has never sinned before? The one that has never sinned should start throwing the stone. Before they lift up their head, they were all covered. And Jesus said, where are your accusers? There are people that accuse us. There are people that have done something against us because of your past, because of the things they know about you. But the woman said they have all left her. He said, if they have left, who am I to accuse you? Go and sin no more. I just want you to know, if you are in sin this morning, if you have committed a sin, if your heart is full of pain, rejection, if you feel to revenge, if you have hatred in your heart, if you have backslided from God, I'm telling you, the love of God is too big to forgive and bring you back to Him. He said, behold, what manner of love is this, that the Father has bestowed upon us, that we should be called the sons of God. Therefore, the world knoweth us not, because he knew him not. You see, when you walk with God and become a newborn, the world will not know you, because anything you do, the world may not understand, because they don't know your God that called you. They don't understand what God is doing. They can't get it right, because the rules of this world is when you see you need to be paid back. But when it comes to God, yes, you may be a sinner, but when you run to him and you have for forgiveness, he will open the door and do something new with you. He said, beloved, now are we the sons of God, and do not yet appear what we shall be, but we know that when he shall appear, we shall be like him, for we shall see him as he is. We that are waiting upon him, the world may not understand who we are, but the day he will appear, we will be like him. The day he will appear, then the world will know that we are not of this world, but we are from a different world. We are just passing by. We are just passing through. This world is not a home. We have a place we are going to, and one day our master will appear, and when he appears, he will go with those who were working with him, or those who gave their heart to him, or those who accepted him as their Lord and personal Savior. I just don't know what is happening. I don't know what they are going through. I don't know your situation. I don't know the state of your mind now. But my dear brother, my dear sister, enough is enough. It is time to hold on to God. It is time to look back and tell the world, I am not of this world. I am looking forward. I am looking up to God. A day is coming when the master will appear and will come and pick the ones that are walking with him. I don't want to be a lost son the day you appear. I want to be a found daughter. I want to be a found son, that I may walk with him, that I may appear like him, that I may look like him. Oh, I don't know what is going on, but when you're walking with God, affliction will come. When you're walking with God, the world will hate you. When you're walking with God, tribulations will come, but don't allow the trouble to change your God. Don't allow your pastor to make you backslide again. Rather, hold on to your pastor to move forward with the speed, and tell yourself, I never deserve it. I didn't qualify, but he took me here and he has brought me this far. For this reason, I will serve him for the rest of my life. For this reason, I will die for his word alone. For blessed are those who will be crucified because of him. Times maybe hard. Somebody said, I serve God for all. I left the world and I follow Christ, but I'm going through tough times. Yes, my dear. The devil will not let you be, but we don't care what the devil will do. We don't care whether we'll make it or not, whether we'll make money, marry or not. We don't care. We are rather to die for God. Whether money or no money, he will be our God. Whether peace or no peace, he is still our God. If we will die with him, we will die with him. It's better to die and go to a good place than to die and go to hell. I don't want to risk that. I will not let 2 minutes hatred make me lie against God. I will not allow jealousy to make me backslide against God. I will not allow bitterness and bleeding of the heart. People have stabbed you. People have disappointed you. People have lied against you. Those you love, they became your enemy. It doesn't matter. It happened to Jesus. So when it happens to me, it is okay. But your focus should be on God. Your focus should not be on man but God. Look up to him and hold on to him. Hold on until he comes. Hold on until he comes. I want to dedicate you to God. I want to let all of us go on the right path that he has called us to go. If you are listening to me, don't let the pressure of this world make you lie or backslide against God. Stand and tell the devil, if I die in this situation, I am okay. If only God is with me, I am okay. Purge your heart, purge your mind, purge your soul, purge Purge your heart, my brother. Purge your heart, my sister. For this world, we are not taking it anywhere, but we are going a place that our master has prepared for us. My question is, will you also go? Will you be there? Will you be found worthy to be in his kingdom with him? That is why this morning has given us the opportunity to know him and get closer to him. Say, Lord Jesus, I thank you for my life. I thank you for this opportunity to get more closer to you. Father, I pray that you have mercy upon me. Father, purge my heart. I lift my hands before you. That yes, you are my God. And you died. You rose. All because of me. Walk with me on this journey. Lead me on this journey. Wash me from every sin. Cleanse me from every iniquity. And be in me. Stay in me. Walk with me. And be my God. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Reverend Dr. FM. Charlotte Drew. A wonderful inspirational message. I can't just say, Reverend Dr. Chinebua. Asempa FM. Komo afa so tie home because no na nyame ya adoma Friday we ye ho adwuma spiritual marriage ewo trade first center na ye de commercial ba na ya pamfo ya boafo ye give scientific herbal clinic Rockhaven capsule grace homeopathic Asempa FMonline.com Kebam become once a match or Bapa product. Ye commercial embraces ya na fe young transfer and the tea in a beboapa.
Asempa FM.
Anokwa. Sunny Grace Homeopathic Clinic. Esa ya die. Ye begina chapa o.
Ye besa so service kapa.
Nentiase. Wo be service ka wo Grace Homeopathic Clinic. Na sa ho ya de do motion.
Obani right o. Okwa general consulting, laboratory services, physiotherapy, general body scan, and dietary counseling. Bibia e free. Grace Homeopathic Clinic en charge he.
Hey, are you sure?
Ya no krepa.
Agisika kakra bia wo betua e de adwuro. Wo mu no so de en nam papa sa. Ho so onante no kasa enkoye. We adwuma kakra bia no abrɛ. Aduane eto yema na wo ya.
Wo beti obi se menjare so mentiapo. Echa wo yare da yare kro da wuhuru.
Eno ane se obekɔ Grace Homeopathic Clinic na ɔde abɛfo mfidi ahwehwɛ ni peduanum asaw yare. Grace Homeopathic Clinic e Medina akachi abo last stop for 0556 181 666 and 020 006 7500.
Grace Homeopathic Clinic.
A mission from God for humanity.
The National Theatre of Ghana presents the 5th edition of Ghana Theatre Festival, scheduled for 23rd to 29th September 2019, with the theme Nurturing and Growing Artistic Voices. Featured on the bill, Nagbewa, Man Talk, Woman Talk, Talk Party, Big Man Wahala on Movie Thursday, and High Lifetime. Featuring Legon Pamwine Group and, of course, Dromona Cultural Bank, Love Line, and even Classical. Kunawana, Files for Sale, Man One, and The Love for Mamavi. Side attractions are the Top 100 Fair by Ware Ghana, Live Painting by Vasep, and Art Exhibitions by Gava. All will start from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Main performances are scheduled for 6 p.m. at the Folks Place, 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. at the main auditorium. Rate 50 Ghana cedis for single, 80 for double, and of course 20 Ghana cedis for students with ID. Media partners, Multimedia Group, Graphic Communications, New Times Corporation, GNA, Insight Newspaper, and The Statesman. It's going to be an amazing theatrical experience.
Van capsules. V-E-N-E. Van capsules. A full supplement. A semu 30. And a papa 4. A year 2 and a 4. Now you're 424. What do you cry? A man may mean I pay for a battle more money for them. Quadawa if you do me and come home. Van capsules. Man, be a man with John Sonnen so. Oh, a fro come up. The sister cried. The friend wife or just so, yes, my king.
Mijna watch my king.
Hey, middle.
Van capsules. Said the again when Yamma Kinson. Won't so ya McCain. Van capsules as yes, you woman.
Wow. And you won't so ya me queen. Van capsules as yes, you woman says, I won't cast so many pa.
pharmacy, chemical and herbal shops.
At Fobacon Rock Care Clinic Limited, at Denta Pantan Junction, or Care TV Danumwa at 0244 18 32 30.
Ven capsules.
VENE.
FD Ashusha Sa Ejedi Enkrato Imu Aja to Muse Eye.
Adum TV and the National Theatre at the concert party at Shabukinano Abril, Mimida, 19th October 2019. LA Fiasia, 4 p.m. 5 p.m. on Adum TV. Did you share Sri? Nenya Hoto, Mary Film, Yapabia Yadi Brown, I grow the so. It's burning there, quite. Yaba, concert party. Ubasria.
Then once to my downfall, but the boy.
The Ghana Institute of Journalism is 60 years. Hooray! It's been 60 years of uncompromising education in communication, from a diploma-awarding institute to a fully fledged university that awards its own degrees.
Indeed! What Bejeke?
There will be a grand debut on Wednesday, the 16th of October, at the institute's new campus at Novjol at exactly 9 a.m.
That's not all. On Saturday, the 19th of October, Selewa, there will be a mega dinner and gala night at the Round Pavilion in Trade Fair, where musicians such as Amanziba, Ochiame Kwame, and the National Police Band will treat us to great tunes.
Tickets for the dinner and the gala night are on sale at the institute's reception and the SRC office. Follow us on all our social media handles at GIJ Official for further updates. GIJ at 60s, celebrating our past, inspiring our future.
Sunsumu awari abeye nkonni akasia wo nipa bebre so ama brabo awari adwuma ne nyamesom ho aye den enu nti asetina pampai bodin de to nsafre nipa nyina e wo saate bia mu se ye mehia wo awrade anim mompa ya na dwumu ni nyina woda sunsum bi ne woda wo ne ho da eye masturbation wo ne ahawfo da ana wa wo ba ahyawo apese ujai wo ye be ma wo ne mema da ana oba wo ne ma da a wo pese ujai saate bia yi eye ohaw kasia wo Ghana memu de ye awreho krane say abora kristosumu say yan sorry heaven beboye incubus and succubus and sa honhom ya edi nipa kwa saate biam eno nti afiade di animu 18th October ye tie gina na dwumu ni nyina abompa yasre oje ama ye nipa di sum ni ekra e hyase anwumre no nsia kosi anopa no 9 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. Our Trade Fair Center Accra etipose breaking the spiritual marriage akasafo ne Reverend Dr. Charlotte Odro dwumadie nyina esi Apostle Dr. Solomon Odro naso kai se efiada ni nyina ye de yefunu to ho emfa moko nkawa no efise eye sunsun mu ko a anu oden eye 12 Fridays of taking over for Ghana free 0242 141 707 asitna pampa bodenden ejatwi yato den
Asempa FM.
Yene jawo asre udi hunso.
Asempa FM.
Pensani wasasi so.
Asempa FM.
Di kani ya wanwadwuma no. Apostle Dr. Solomon Odro. Ohia winyansa, ohia winim die ne wa ho oden. Sanya wonam ne so de obatan kase. Tokuro wa ne mapi. Ebine Save Life campaign. Asitna pampa bodenden. Liberating the liberators. Onam so di bubu puchra. Yeah. TokuroketewamUnsem.
Great matters hiding in trouble.
TokuroketewamUnsem.
Asempa FM.
Great matters hiding in trouble.
Asempa FM.
Pensani wasasi so. Sanya wudi odifu adi kani ya wanwadwuma no. Apostle Dr. Solomon Odro. Ohia winyansa, ohia winim die ne wa ho oden. Sanya wonam ne so de obatan kase.
Asempa FM.
Ebine Save Life campaign. Asitna pampa bodenden. Liberating the liberators. Onam so di bubu puchra. Yeah. TokuroketewamUnsem.
Asempa FM.
TokuroketewamUnsem.
Everybody in shop, papa, so when you're to attract ye. My catch was a ne and will pay a kokra. Dodwana na abrabono oba hunu no obeye bia enye yi aware ayebasa adwumasem ayebasa anopay na meka sa baby na meka cho mo say nipa dodo na bo ehomode wo honam mu na sunsum de ye mo ye homoden anopai wadware wasiesi ho wate wani atwe ni ase bi de bia keka mo no atwutimi aguachi kama okọ na osunsum so tebia etisen okra ne honhom na tiumu no etisen eno ne ade ba ko a ehu a edi enya yennim kwan befa so ye be free honhom mu ye be bo honhom abrabo modern bo etme atumpom Paul can with Romans 12 the verse 11 was saying adwuma mu modern bo hu hia pa yes ni titru pa ne say e ka sunsun modern bo no mo ba yire mo ho abom ho modern eno nti no me hye susuma ware asen asana me ko homa no so no ma min kan we enche wansa Paul am making it clear Ephesians 6 the verse 10 up to 18 omayati say ye ne honhom and ye die sie ye ne tumidie panini and ye die sie ewo asase so Jesus manim make it clear say ye tutu ahom fi obi so a okọ esan so ba sana Mark 5 ekire onipa ba ko ahom mako 6,000 etinimum ana oye sofo enu ti eba demonic activities ye ekoso obo mo nyindi because of his school no ne other side bi no ahom mo tete no so the school na kataso or the sika akataso ma me catch say tebia wutim bia no offense sa tebia we de normal no huhum beta akire busa ho say esiden oba moja tu no for 12 years wanum nduro watonduro waya enye but otachi Yesu pe no Bible said emoja na etwaye yamfana kwose machine mu yamana duro bia no ba power bi ekati moja no e wo sunsun ahoden a etumi yi wo nipa efiri sunsun akode a wona emumum matro sunsun warrior masturbation matro sunsun warrior resident spirit physical husband and wife and no matter who records transfer spirit and incestuous spirit nyade edini penya wo yagimenye yie etone bia ba se wono ho na no ho da sisaso ni no ma bone ba wo so no anu odin pa but and ye do bo rubber before frokra anu odin onipa ntanhwe anka beya ekonipa bia de ka be wiase a ka oyire ba ko pe uku ba ko pe ye wo so tie ye ka so tie say onipa no obi kra efam obi no obi kra efam ho and na e cleave together near one godly side and there one demonic side na ye papa Reverend Bishop elect kodua ehoma no so US and then betwetwe nkomo na afi ye wie na mre nkoya na mebie finance no atom na afi wow woni memma bebrade da woni ma bebrade da ya tro kwan ye be fa so be free mu because nyame adoma Friday we oba nyame adona ba treat farm ukra bodges olive oil ye bompa ya na wa hwe bi agutrim na wa bompa ye se huma ware bi ani wudi asie no ewade twetwe maw na ewade fa ne se encounter aja tokuro
emunsem pi
Papa, you're watching the bar Asempa FM 94.7 Live FM 107.5 Setapa Radio and Facebook. Me say you won't be the mobile source on Wuti Unimu Papa Bishop elect Cheneboa Kodia or saying Victory Bible Church the Oboni Dia or Dima Kotrepa as you see no US and or Okomi Facebook na person huna Mo Martini Dino Ebia Winimuno Okomi Facebook Apostle Solomon Odrua yedi ni picture to menini picture to
Asempa FM
so for penia ye no ekasa no papa so ta ya de ba ko edi krofonya hankrofo obo no mabrabo no ba wo hu so ni ru afi se usua no woni ma bebrede dae ana woni ma bebrede da sunsanso ewom ene kwan ye fa so a onipa so ti hu fi sa no ma no ho ene how infect ye nya wo onipa no wankasa odwuma usikasam ene o makra brabo so agyan patwi ti wa no pay
Apostle me da si bebre na me chia wati for chia wahwefo na me chia me banso Reverend Dr. Charlotte no pay wo Christo do ho asem a o de bre yen Apostle no pay me mfa wo mre bebre na senia na wudi kan kafa nhum nhihye ene nhum asetena ene nieme bia ekoso a nipa bi timi gina eji ho akinye na ayana nwanwa ifi se ewiase ya Nyankopon hihye ye no enye honam ewiase aye honhom ewiase na ɛda ne ho adi ɛfa honam mu nti no fapem nanka sɛ wiase no gyina so no yɛ honhom ni wanka nipa da anka wɔn so daeɛ honhom ni wanka obi ehunu nea ɛba ansa na si ɛkyerɛ sɛ biribi a bɛsi honam mu biara no ho nsunsuansoɔ no edi kan hyehyɛ ɛwɔ honhom saa nso ɛna adeɛ biara nipa ɛyɛ ɛwɔ honam mu no honhom nso ɛwɔ hɔ saa akra ne akra etimi ka bom ɛwɔ nipa ɛne nipa so no apostle ɛyɛ biribi a fapem no emfiri nipa no abrabomu adesua baako paa onipa biara edum pempensuo bi a ɛpem wɔ ɛne mihuniya nkamanyɛ ne saa but ɛdeɛn na ɛpin a wa ma wokɔyɛ nea woyɛyɛ woka ne bible na apart from say nyankopɔn de ma yɛn agyidifoɔ kristofoɔ sɛ yɛmfa mɔ yɛ bra no nsɛm bi wɔ mu a ewiase yɛ da hɔ yi woyɛ kristoni o wonyɛ kristoni o ɛsɛ sɛ woba mu nti aseɛ mu ɛno ne saa what we call bonding ɔba bɛgya bɛrima hɔ ɔba bɛgya nawofoɔ no ɔne ɔbaako boma yɛ baako living together as one sɛnea honam mu nipa ne nipa etimi fa nyɔnko ma wɔ mo kra bom sɛnea na woka no positively no te sɛ David and Jonathan they were tied together even unto death ekusi wo mu Sarah ɛna ahonhom negatively nso no because if you are seeing down here wɔ ahonhom hyehyɛ bi a ɔmo pray sɛ ɔmo bɛdane wiase no ɛte sɛ kwawie so ɔmo bɛma nea nipa de ne nsa so mu a ɔyɛ biara no agye agu na ɔmo wɔ ntiaseɛ sɛ ewiase wei mu mpagya ɛne wiase wei mu ɛkan kɔ productivity in life egyina anyɔnkofa so it takes partnership to create success. Nti nyankopɔn bɔ nipa bɔ no ba ne berema nti oba ne berema connectivity no wo mu ne hia na awo aba ama awo ntoatoaso aba ema nsakyiraye aba ema ekan kɔ aba nti obonsam nim sɛ otumi bura sa root no mu a where the bonding between male and female no spiritually o creatia apostle otumi de say bibia so what the miso benya mrakane what in Nahum chapter number 3 Bible no upon that that so tie force to me a tie so tie ma nipa di da wo mo nwena ho e chirbo se mehunu yanka ma obi timi ye muwa niema bi sabio just nipa nka wonye people are bonded even to animals people enye African kwa oba buchima mu a obi etimi ahan dan nipa nam bi one nkraman ne gum o treat kraman to say a loved one kissing kraman just say they are bonded. It's part of this spiritual orchestration. Isaiah 65 verse number 15 New English Translation a friend of curse formula curse and no me our formula Apostle New English Translation a friend of curse formula upon the phone now orchestrated and say in a way Nahum 3 verse 4 now American was it because of the multitude of the whoredoms ni jinasa na e bowre ni pamomo yesa namu share gamamu share when me abeda na jono one day we will go deeper into that but I say because of the multitude of the whoredoms and he called that spirit well beloved of fresh spirit, harlot. Of fresh spirit, mistress of witchcraft. Of fresh spirit, apostle to that select nation.
Wow.
It's a transactional entity. Who woman wa babedano or to shebre or to fie shebre or to cross shebre or to or minor utimono shebre. That select nations and families through her witchcraft.
Wow.
Share Ahab and Jezebel. Bonding another woman. And look at how Jezebel, let me turn or minor shabre after all turn or minor hinie, or turn or minor sop dear, or turn or minor ma Ninadia ma bal a confusion say. It's very dangerous, Apostle. And you're very when you say the book of Proverbs chapter 6 from 20 to 35 and chapter 7 from verse 1 through 27, a kafasa whoredom halotry. And she say, yeah, so tight because how can two work together? I said they agree. Obani be my boom. You know, so no, any issue so it is all waro, it's all one and offer or namnipem like you were using Daniel chapter number 7. The channel pay or namnipem jatano be pigeon which now a unipa kuma the tunimu pretend this way you good pretend this way you'll be over to me a bow nan in Saka we are a say what tongue shabre shall be a bit me a tongue with shabre and the tongue of bushing a shabre and the tongue will mind shabre through the spirit of Hodom. Apostle, when he said the book of Hosea and I Troy and Yankopon country was there, Uncle Warren Gomano, it's not a Yamama or de Maya Junior Bassa, whom she share, it means say ni paso. Now, Hosea chapter 2, verse 4, it to me, spiritual marriage, any soul tie, negative soul tie, it means Danny Yankopon Humobro, if ni paso. It can turn back the hand of God's mercy upon the people.
Hey, mercy.
Hosea 5:4 was the woman and Namsa Aquino. Their life become full of error. Just from Songwa. Obenya Junipa, Obesadi Musa Obeye. But Obekotusa Warrior was in a Gena from Zo.
Asempa FM.
And it is affecting nations. Because at the root of the battle of every nation, there is a spiritual connectivity way. We are tied negatively not only to people but to spiritual forces. We are friend spirit of Hodom. Apostle, a manipa yen naked. Nipa a yen naked. I want you know. Ezekiel 23, 18 and 19. They walk about naked, especially in their youth. To any film. Ushia nipa bia wonam also apostle we no hu say what here we here discernment o hu nipa na say na so dedeja hu bi ni da hu no na want me yes ade no according to Ezekiel 23, 18 and 19. Wow. One can Ezekiel 16 na on beti ase when your lewdness is not something that you are ashamed of, it means you have become captive to that forces. It will use you as a way of enticing others to get into their lives. Now, idea apart from selling the land, you know, it also pollutes the land. Jeremiah 3 verse 2. It is so tight, spiritual marriage. Apostle, any bibia. A nipa ntemu bina a piano ne piano Hodom what Hebrew customer a force that compels. Wow. A shenipano. All those masturbations, all those gayisms, and you see nipano epe. A person can be but now you're too late. Because it turns away mercy. 2 keys are the one which I know you're going to apply. Ecclesiastes 7:26. Those who please God will escape from the hand of this witch. Those who please God. One way is so ready, and a second one is submitted to authority. Submission, authority in the church. Apostle said, so who's a junior pastor be was sorry senior pastor so on ran what is say hey bibi na beda wa fa hu no bi or chimp na wo hu bia ama ni say wo ye because that is the only sign. The root of all these succubus incubus according to Jewish mythology myths and eventually we've gotten a lot of truth out of them. Even science begins with myth but ends in proofs. Well, also what foundation they stand on for succubus, incubus, deism and all force is there from Lilith. Lilith is a force of pride, a force of arrogance, a force that will not submit. And this breeding into unnecessary confrontations in life. Baby, I want a quadribia man so and a woman wants a man. You don't need discernment. You should just know wherever there is no submission, there is a wrong engagement. And the two, fear God, respect God, be pleasing to God. Ecclesiastes 7:26 says, you will escape. That means at the end of what day, Papa. And yes, if it's called for escape for your life, then it means the terror coming against you, too much. They belong to a group of forces called the terrors of the night.
Asempa FM.
The terrors of the night. Psalm 91 verse 5 and 6. Terrors of the night. Terror. How do you escape from a terrorist? There be. Please the Lord, stand firm in the faith, resist it, break that yoke of bondage upon your life with the anointing. And number two, submit to authority. Wives and husbands, submit one to another. They can't submit to one another, as my daughter is always telling them. They can't.
Wow.
When we do that, Apostle, because curses have formula. Your whole formula now will be able to come out, ma. Ye non pay ampro ewasasiso. When you say me last Proverbs 7 verse 27. Okachire said the way of this system, soul ties, spiritual marriage is the way to hell. Edunipa ekobonsam jem. Because and God is jealous. It provokes jealousy. What can the Proverbs 6 are? And that jealousy no man can pacify.
Next Jampacho say so be susma waria. Next nipa no ahia have me bonu.
Enye ye na ye kan. Pray. Because if it can turn back the hand of mercy, then there is a spiritual eraser. That if we don't do the right thing, it can erase all that we have labored for. I didn't like a poor because or shen who send a bear. One yet man could break the end, we are cast away. Cast away to
Obregu.
Cast away, Obregu. Now they break deep inside them. They know that they don't like what they are doing. They don't like mercy. It. But also how to yield to the right hand, the right call. Until a Friday, you don't need spiritual eye to see. Naked lewdness. I want to see an emerald so a branch of trousers. I know a chakoto, Misra say. Oh, but so you to I didn't know what trouser. Quarter socks, long socks. Lewdness, nakedness. Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Ezekiel 23, 18, 19, Ezekiel chapter 16. They are all even Ezekiel 16, 25, 26. It leads to lack of self-control.
Wow.
You cannot even control. You know who all these signs are. Gather all of them to God under the anointing. Na emra domo we no. Na ehunumwa be no. Onyame kan nsa ewo wo mo so. Na onji won frame. Na ka baye nsen se so popanya jana sore kwa dia show nse to kwan kakra be for just some few weeks. or buy ye not of where the addition was on. Only quite for you, boy, Jamaica, or boy, who you are, but can't you know what you're here? What kind of life is that? What kind of life is that? Supposed to be be.
And the Wakasapa.
Yaka.
Wakasa papa you say how my sweat to be a bar so full money at the Trebi and say what you see in a coda. What you soon
Asempa Fm.
Thinking den more than and as soon as plan a pipi and a tico.
Now my so run
giant Ninyami Jumano now they are well favored.
Wow.
And then they are positioned in a way with things that can entice.
Wow.
Radimoye na Ghana ntiasie na near Radidia shows and this is a scary world indeed. Don't take it for granted. And Jesus in country and say if you John suboni nreso of hini no ye de na efa na one ni adin no and the fedi so enye fun playing field. It's a scary world indeed. It's a battlefield right from day one. And it will be so until Jesus comes.
What one are
that endure to the end, the same shall be saved. Why should he say that? Baby will be at me, dear, grow your pa. Now, if he said, near your penny, and ya, and didn't come and move free. Double pennies or man, you put to pages or put to pages you. One and you come here for one pay. One and you see your for one pay. One and you fear ye one pay.
Oh.
But in Sana is in Sana because if you do baby no more align with negative forces. A bond, a agreement. Once you get into, you become an agent of destruction for the devil.
Masturbation, what is I say the annoy dear, may say.
I School Jesus, you're not gonna for. How can this happen? Because they are one of the enticements. I have prepared my bed. I have wine. Oh, and you know, forces made you draw Quarano into it, grandson or many way. Radimo apostle, me bumpire, Radimo. Yeah, that or boniphobia or best sorry, pigeon and so Nangoja and Pinkin is in Enfrio. Not on Yamima, and they should deal for who dear Christo de Brayano and Shassi and Neddy. Papa said, Jesus, a J, but down for no. What was the next thing that Jesus told them to do? They clothed him. Nakedness. It's a proof of engagement with negativity. Nakedness. Arabia and nothing strike. No, they've been sold out. They need to be delivered. And you saw them all.
I know what thing. Me say
I told them to say recovery ward, but where do we deliver them before we take them there? Why didn't Jesus die in the synagogue?
The strong room, the strong room of God, the stronghold. Hey. Papa, me say Friday they see one panka me media gas too. Kabaku wato me so. Jumedie yo, say to say I know dia much say. I say I saw from Yankamomo, na yentumi nyesa sunsumo bi.
No. Until we are 1 to 5 days. Apostle, you are not only helping individuals, you are delivering families. You are delivering generations. You are delivering a nation from bondage. Oh. To can say, Abre Nipanso. Come on, something is wrong somewhere. Maybe almost be engaged you.
Maybe more chimpra.
And it's terrible.
That's a pa. Oh, that's a pa. Bishop elect Dr. Chineboa could be any attending kind of US Victory Bible Church. Oh, Papa, Ewadinsta, Papa.
Asempa FM.
And what you some Prabonio and Prapa, Homaswa Bonimu, on who's a baby read them was on our job. We across a lot of issues. Now, me the radia say, Jumedia Yedi Magane, Aquashe, Anka to me Friday train. Apart from saying so, a boy, me media gas too, Frisubo Boho, and my say. Bako, and then a year in a free rich hospital. and then no Yamiatom where Mushi and no. Yet Nakoshe machine will be being one of my year Nina attacks you because ye no ye Ginny Peffrey or say near mania no team and with this are signs that yes oboni for air fighting Nelson oboni for your true for Yamiadom Fianya no and my ene ye no every rich hospital Friday ye baby patrol fahushim all about tall bodies olive oil ye kasan me raise topic no na wo hwe gutrim no bompaye no anumbi na de be bia de ka wo hye ye be bompaye kopem say ye be pon opa for all night fa wo hye bi wo do bi ne wo da wo ye masturbation wo do nyonko ba no me course wo nipa bra bo ma yentumi kan kire nipa ye bompaye ye fe ho me hye ruade strong home strong room na ba de nye ye ho adwuma na wo je be adwuma last Friday on to me amba na ye break case e ba cho oba medical leading pa born from 6 p.m. na me wo ho mo amot me ama last week ni Brentem na be to communion wa na mitumi nya mo de na mama sana ye do so time ni susuma wawe no so because eno de ano odem pa ti mo amot me ama Friday nso ni no Brentem na no pa enumre na enumre sis no medical leading pipe no e break sa no me na e wo papa fi ma me fi na sana yakọ susuma wawe no so e break me rade de ne sa akan ti Friday nyame adoma me hia wo Trade Fair Center ye be no Pavilion B enso tokra oba fachinye esiuti oba obenya Pavilion B ni mu eho enso mo ne yetumi ene awurade ya abompa na woso be bia
Asempa FM
awurade kan wona enso ye IG4 catch Ghana for say Nyankopon ayoma dom omadi mfie 60 years anniversary baso pa Wednesday wo kira 16 October wo omodan foforo kra wo North Joru ho and omoko na wo say mo ye staff ni student for na ne mo stakeholders for na chiefs and queens mothers ye bobo mu na no abehiem na nyame adoma school no mpuntuo ni nyoma ombeda na didi a kire mu journalism sani esi aboa school yi aboa nipa emfie aduosia ni teteye ene sani aboa man no ya kire mu no mafoforo eba na wato ensa dia frame ye nuaba ma ochiame kwame 19th October eno de mu na mo de moni be Trade Fair run pavilion mu ho ehona mo kodi asa gimoni asresre na wano no maka ho eno amazing man so beba amazing ban so beba bombo na fa ho hyen bi na dwumadie we opese ebia obusemu chechire bi ni ade a bombo na follow IG official for further information na ebebo bebre ma wo say school no bi na peso ko bibia no otumi akọ na bibia aye fine dia ma bomodin na fa nwuchim na ebebo pa oba pa product de sedin kama pa ba African Queen aye hunsuo no de yeduane de ye nomo wo de ye stew a eboa ma onkwan no ana wo stew no ye den bomodin na ko pebi na tu na ton na ko pebi na ton na fa ye waduane mofrei ekoskwa odi be aduane amomodi ukunso ba wabedibi na bibia ye fine ehunso ne de because entosi no eboa omudi nduro eboa me di peduano no nutrients egum a eboa pa ma de aduane a ofie hwampa 0302668357 now akope wo de ediato now we are Giver Scientific Herbal Clinic omonso esrese so you bia oyo ba wo ye be ma obobo ana se bia otumdi ka oye adwuma office be bia oye adwuma bia oti pen wo mu ana se bia wochi wonan wonya kwanhia da bibia si ema na mabu pen oti pen no obomode na fa wo ha onya kwaso mu na ebati paye ma dream pa dia ana se malaria omo ya the waist pain obo wa typhoid how ya rebia how bia no omo ye good adia manager was omo they undertaking physiotherapy, dietary counseling, massaging, and almost scan to me show ni pedue mu laboratory there test and fine man mojemu ya rebia to catch ma ho dru e ma ho topa modern na ko Accra teaching tribro bamboo sport ho and free ye adwuma anopa 7 kopim enumere 6 Monday to Saturday free 0240143267 and 0268215489 Grace Homeopathic Clinic and so omonso aso yasene eba omunduro padia general consulting laboratory service general body scan physiotherapy dietary counseling church unuane diwe anyway wudi ya ebe hawo omo ya de pa omo wo medina akacha bo eho enomo wo bomoden na ko ho na omo mo ma yare bi eda wo so no emfi so ana betumi afre wo me 0556181666 and 0200067500 na Rock Clinic in so say omo de omunduo papa etu yare ase utumi se wo sorti utumi ni di na say bia insufita bi ta pie firi ho ba
Asempa FM
omoden omaba Ghana fo enya hoden de ye adwuma koba no munsuo na ye akami natural mineral water no ode normal palkum asi tu preko pepa omo wo Repash Ventures Okanshi Kings Walk Nisi Pharmacy Baslin and Osans Chemist bomoden na kona kwajo de na empemu nso ye week nso a ombeboa pa ebia enche na wajeje mu a bomoden na ko ana low spend count nso omo wo ho aduro edema fe 0244 183230 and 0248885040 bomoden keba ointment nso say yen kan chewo say ebia otumu se ho ta twitwi ho ta ye oya umpum twitwi odompem ye wo ya what is stress rap a contentem enin kan bia wachire utumi de stress ko adwuma obefie na wabesra what is trans why enche na pain na ye wo no na etuko etore bia de be che no pay o sorry afimpem na ho ye odin ho ye oya emrewa yusu kokora yusu mrante yusu obi abobo na se bia wo ye adwuma bia da bia utumri kan na wo keka body no a bomodin se obekọ na omo aboa ema bibia ye fine ke ban wo se fatwi mo ahonto na eye Kofi Kuro Pharmacy and the Diaba Jasso. Number no 030278807. Adeba kun say Oma Topitin Ghana Hanu nyina omo Kofodua ebi Okofodua ebi wo ho ebi wo Kumase ebi wo Kaso Aswedru Sunyane Takrade Tamale okwa omo obi ho no nyina wo fe na bes na wo me connect na wonso wakwaje de na ebeboa pa ema bibia aye fine. Hit FM for so de dwumadie sonko kura hyehyɛ so na oyobia utumi so wa kyɛde DJ wo sa kyɛde ne wo mu a multimedia de ihu ne men kan show mu omo boa magana for to me ihu gina bia omo gina mu ema adoma kyɛde we nipa mutumi pie and 2065 of the Hit FM hottest DJ competition. Na de ba ko ampese me show ne say so pese adoma kyede awo ya star bia pese wo yie bra eye multimedia ha na bra be fa wo form o ko mlemle ha say 50 Ghana and as what me ma be call www.manjoyonline.com okwa no click hottest DJ banner no e be bie di amount e bia na wa fill form na wa pay usika no wa tua sika no oh mobile money 0243430337 mitisubium untumi mahano mo na woko www.manjoyonline.com now o click DJ banana ebeba information bia be hu now o tua sika no 50 Ghana equal 0243430337 and now open Chichimubia and I'm 055-9691-797. Eradin Shroud. The Radimie Kwamao. Moba. And so catch you say, Yameya Dumwa, a Wednesday ya. And Omudu Omudu and Shemoni baby. Ekoban Ghana head office auditorium ho reach Accra hono mushiemu bomodia na bra and pedifoma for money ana kwabina inketia 69 Robert Daniels ono say 79 Alexander Mensa Egan ono say 89 and Kofi Safo Achia On see 99. We're the Infantine Old Boys Association MOBA. Mona Yenemo Kase, Momodiana Bra, na Nkomoni, Impuntu, and it's an opese. What to Monomesi Fanny Nano, Mobeti, and Humpeni Semoho. With me at 0302711 and 055-643-9873. We be fullness not to Kawusa nyame adoma wochena Wednesday meya sorry ewo kwabenya Royal Victory Family Church Pima Filling Station ho na me office wo ebia wo pese wo pempaibo bi ena pa kwanchire bi counseling bi e ho na Reverend Dr. Charlotte Drew e ho na ye wo oba ewade be fa yeso aboa wo wochena Wednesday ye court hours 7 to 12 ye bompa ye no pande ho anopa no ne apon we 12 but Friday de ye na ye be hyiamu ewo eye Trade Fair Center Pavilion B a setna pampa bodin din ejetua to din nyame adoma bomodin say Friday ye be mo amotumi ama Friday in Brentem ansana ya start swings ma ware no bi ne woda we masturbation ni sanoma no so tire ya kan wasem wohia anointing a ebebu busade ne fi wo shebre so say ne be ya heavy emonye say ye be bregu a setna pam mask afwe asore bia akobia pese o join mask kwa Friday na omo yade papa o pese o join asetna pa mask kwa obo drums ana wo to nyom pese o join mask kwa na enanumre Wednesday wo be hia Wednesday o kire numre ana wo be hia o kire numre 9 p.m. e wo kwa benya opposite the Pima Filling Station. Eti bomodin ase odo ho be shame obe se wo join mask kwa na nyame adoma omoto nsa free new singers on the 30th October 9 p.m. and omo ishiemu bomodin so odo ho be shame ye pe new members e bitumi join free number na omo emu chichemu bia 05414372220 05414372220 bibi phone lines na tum na o problem bi or how bi wo so catch ya and now pa kwanchire bi a and now pa kwan be fa so be ba treat feni bia na ya catch by can say anadwi 12 midnight ibi shia anadwi Asempa FM ha akopema no pa 3 ye bompa ye ya setna pamre eti anadwi menda peneska fi bi na nom na anadwi shia ya anadwi e wa ha na ye mompa ye na obeye inshapa enefre wa Asempa ha no 0302216545 0302216545 and 0302216546 TOKUROKETEWA 030 TOKUROKETEWA
Muisam please
Papa udini baby akasa free
Pastor Siama Wajase
Hey also for saying what saying
Yamado Papa Wajase
Adum kwa adum
me ask you and then so ehunimua abare na moso ade yabapa nso ade amaye ndedie nyame hwira
emi
bedim share bibia nso bekwa wie pa yade mpa wata wechi dinde
emi midas
entele erade nso bakaya ho ye be wie na so dwem bibia rinchi
emi nyame hwira pa ndamase 0302216545 03022165 TOKUROKETEWA
Emu bebre.
Oh, TOKUROKETEWA.
Emu bebre.
Oh, TOKUROKETEWA.
Emu pi.
Oh, small many matters.
So many troubles.
Aja odini bebe kasa free.
Aja ni mo ni me kasa free of Ankobere.
Aja ni mo with you anope.
Mo wadwuma.
Me da se papa.
Me sofo ba wodi kakasa yen. Wa bomo wa yade.
Eh,
ko si baby a. Ya msomnam, ni baby ani pa nam. Baby a me kan wo. Enu jeje wo ye Kristoni a bo brabo ne a wo pe. Nyamsom no de opportunity upa bra. But no jeje nyame agya wo se ye de wo pe. di boni a wope because of say ade me new Christo ni me nkwa so nti bitimi ye de me amepe no nyame wo ma sa kwa no na ye ne nyamti nyamsom na yes som na sin yi nti na ma ko ba ne sa nti ya gi edie ne ye momodin se sankrofo no ye bi hu mmobɔ na yakasa kyerɛ me atwe mo afiri ho nyame nka ho
baba shall we that say Tokuketwa yeah circle if you go home bocho small many matters aja yetiu
many matters me dey papa ya o abere na family second mayo am ka take man back anymore
original
the make am say papa na go pon show papa dey me say e bi am go so na mo ka ha ma say wine na go pon na mo so ba me yesu so ba ngo te talk so kwa ngo ba bedu ayo o ba bedu so ampa o ba bedu na me dey ana me ye ne fe for ene ati o ye di me di boni we na me kwasole a na makwasa be ne fate de bia be so ne fate na so ba di boni na wie na so nya me di pa na te ade antiwa na azad na go pon o de ma me go bi nta so palo so ati nya me da
Tokuketwa
emunsem bebre
papa odini bebe kasa free
be ba to free me kofi me kasa free dome
itu free dome ja kofi
papa nyankopon nhyirawo
amen
nyame nhyirawo pa
amen
bebre no ma bebre so akere ama wie yebre ya Christopher ye ni beda ho ye ni beda ho eno ma nsema bobo si masturbation na de papa asemo but Eurade na hene
Jesus
Eurade pedi nti nyankopon bo ade Friday ejinemu ho
ejinemu pa ya mishraw
baba nyankopon nhyirawo
amen Tokuketwa
munsempi
small ho
many
matters
baba you me no kwati ere mo ba me ho adwire me nkanda da
me akwa me ho adwire me
we dey said a mini papa abeka no ye bi be ye futu ni ere atoto ye ni obete no we pa de e go to say de be ha ni ama papa ma me no bi mbra ya ye be ye futu ama ye ho nyame shira bebre
amen Tokuketwa 0302216545 0302216545 Tokuketwa 0302216545 0302216545 Tokuketwa line a jamming Tokuketwa munsem na wutie emi se benanya ye be Tokuketwa 0302216545 Tokuketwa 0302216545 na 0302216546 Tokuketwa Tokuketwa my can Facebook messages aba na fe yemfa dwumadie no emre wieye wose nana yaw wose hello apostle I need the scriptures the man of God quoted the patron Abraham they attested it was screen soon to be to me apike and a man for a friend say Abigail was thank you Jesus I am blessed with this words Abigail say why inshra for and asema aba and a door so papa Mama Mercy was God bless you Pastor Siama and Rosemary was say God bless you our papa and Abeta in New York and also say God bless you Apostle Doctor and your family Victoria Dako Tokuketwa emunsem pi edwumadie bebe wieye mefo frefo otoso Tokuketwa
hello
Tokuketwa emunsem pi papa odini ni bebia kasa free Biti free sa omaja
Reverend Solomon Ogru ni noma
me batwe me na me kasa no me wia me de me na betu dwa sisi awai ya ministra pa nyam ye de ofer besi say Tokuketwa if I'm last caller Tokuketwa ebruna nya ye be midin e the apostle Solomon Odro anope me ne mapamfo Yaisa Queensta Pakwasi and Sandra J and afei so no fene Action General in your Asempa Facebook no Martha was that God bless you so much endorse and afei so no I'm go 14 is you ma mercy Tete God bless you daddy Emrepe no ye be mention ni na de amam ochira no pass 7 a.m. up to 12 me wo kwabenya Royal Victory Family Church bebia Puma filling station one ye ne opposite eho and my office at Sunday Christian ewo Wednesday be bon pay Sunday so between yasom 7 to 9 bofo 3 9 to 11 unia so be kwa Johnny yen na obeye inshapa Friday day a trade fair center pavilion B oba crowd budgets olive oil ubi shegu so wabom paye say nkonua bi eda wo so empapai na Awurade fanisa enka ho Awurade sha anadwi 12 midnight ye never say shemu odwumadi so abiem abom paye 3 hours apoje amayekra asana Wednesday anopanadu me number 0242 141 707 0242 141 707 0242 141 707 and 0244 883 702 0244 883 702. Your program is in a bit me share on Facebook. The real man in me, Lady Reverend Sharuto Drew, and I say Asetma and Apostle Solomon Drew Facebook. Now I share, now I like Amaye, Eradin Kaho. Bye bye.
Asempa FM 94.7. All talk, all day.
Pramato ewa Asempa 94.7 FM so adesimamba yemamu nyina maha ebraso ensema yaboabo no se kase bodon komi ene yasinkonwa ene awie yede ebremwe na ene ensema wotie no ebini se ene ahwehwemu sonko ne akoso a aba betodwa ese ene kopiemu na kotoka international airport no ene eba bibiem hade a yese na dabre number 1 de gina ne naso papa na we no ochemkyere se we mu a na no ma do amoyeye eni se yesi aye ho